Welcome to Abdul Hadi AI World. Get ready to explore the future of technology and education. Let's start by meeting the person behind this exciting journey. Hi, I'm Abdul Hadi, and I'm just 10 years old, but I have a big vision for the world. My big dream is to help end poverty in the world, and I believe we can achieve this with the right tools. The powerful tools I'm focusing on are artificial intelligence and education. They are the keys to unlocking global potential. So what exactly can you expect to learn and explore on this channel? You will learn all about the latest AI tools and technology and how to harness their power. We'll dive into smart learning techniques, boost creativity, and develop innovative ideas. These aren't just any ideas. They are ideas that can truly change lives positively across the globe. Now let's talk about the bigger picture, my mission and what I hope to achieve. My mission is simple: to inspire, teach, and positively impact 10 million people around the world. Together, we can learn, grow, and build a smarter and better future for everyone. Are you ready to be part of this incredible movement? Subscribe now and join the Abdul Hadi AI journey. Don't miss out on any updates. Remember, small age, big dreams, powerful future.